Well, welcome to our new driveway, and today I thought I'd chat to you about why I've stopped YouTube for the last year, and also to have a bit of an update for life and to let you know what's been happening with the Parker family. Down our very long and very steep driveway, we can head down to have a look at our new house, and I'll give you a tour. Well as taking a look inside our new home today, I thought we'd also have a bit of a catch up about what's been happening in life lately, and also let you know what's happening with some coming videos for the new year. Come on in. Okay, so when we first come inside, we come to some stairs over here. Let's go down. Here we have an office, and we've just put a new bed in here for when we have family come and stay. I've got a little bed nook around in this corner and just an office rumpus room. And the downstairs has just 2 bedrooms, and we have a little ensuite toilet here. Hello puppy, hello puppy, hello, hello. And the 2 little bedrooms just have a robe and then a bit of an outlook as well as some tanks. That is our backyard out this way. Okay, now back upstairs again. We have a bit of a Harry Potter cupboard here for some storage just under the stairs. I'll give you a little look in there. Okay, just some storage and boxes. And then back upstairs, we enter around into the main bedroom. And there's robes there, and that's where I do my practice. And then around into the laundry, we have one tree out of the driveway had to be taken down, so we've turned all this into some iron bark slabs here, just to use that beautiful timber. And I'll explain to you my special little cupboard later on, and that's just washer and dryer in this room. And then a little toilet in here. So very high ceilings with the high beams through the upstairs, and the big stone wall, still with our Christmas lights. Okay, then this room swings into the lounge and little music nook over this way. And this is where we'll be doing some more tutorials. We've got some trees, and all the neighbours' backyards have some big beautiful gums out that way. Let's see if I can get those into focus. No, maybe that makes it worse. There we go. And then through to the bathroom. There's just a little towel cupboard up there, and then mirror and sink here. And then this swings around to just an open shower wet area, and this is the other side of that laundry wall where we can throw our dirty clothes just into the tub there, and then they're straight into the laundry, which is awesome. That's my main highlight. Okay, back through to the kitchen. So this is our kitchen out here, and it just leads onto the deck with big double doors. We've just had our Christmas. So we've got these slide away doors out here that lead onto our big deck, and where we can sit and have our morning coffees and dinners and things too. That's our main eating area out here actually in Australia. So down our backyard and the neighbour's backyard, it's all that way. And then in the past I've taken you guys down to the creek as well, but now we have a little ramp down that way that goes down to the fence that my husband's done with all the dog fencing, and that leads down to the creek. So heading into the new year, I'm looking really forward to meeting with you guys regularly on YouTube for some more tutorials. I'm still enjoying really doing layers of sounds and experimenting with just really simple motifs that we can do in each hand to end up making some really beautiful creations for some easy piano and put some harder challenges over the top. So I look forward to some more videos with you soon. Cheers. Happy New Year to you all from the Parker family.